Hi guys, as you guys can see today, Tanda arranged some fire evacuation training for all the employees here. So as you guys can see right here, and we're gonna be showing you all the stuff, all the things that the Tanda is arranging for these employees for the safety reason, thing. So let's go and check. Tanda's team here, and Sarah is here with us, and she's going to be telling us that what we learned and how it's good for the people, for the employees, and for all the people, this training. So Sarah is going to be telling us something about the training and all the stuff. Sarah.
Yeah, I think this is a good initiative organized by
the building management and Tanda.
Our company. In order to help people to learn how to act in such situation when there's a fire or whatever. So I think this is a good thing to learn and a good experience for ourselves as well.
Yes. Okay, thank you very much. Guys, so Sarah has her own opinion about the training, and we all know that how this training and all those stuff important for all the people, especially evacuation and those safety tips, all those stuff is really important for all the people. So we have to learn. And now Mr. Lee Wan Han from Malaysia, he's also our team member, so he's going to be telling us something about the training.
Hi, I think it's a very good opportunity for you to learn all the training processes about the fire drills, because a lot of people are not aware of what's going to happen, what to do when there's the real fire that's coming. Yeah, so this is a really good training opportunity for you, for all of us.
Okay, thank you very much guys for watching, and we are arranging the same training, technical training and evacuation training, safety tips in Singapore.
Okay.
So all of you guys, you're all invited to join us in Singapore office for the free training, and we're going to be seeing you there. So thank you very much.